Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is Monday, January 11th, 2016. We are looking at a little bit of a pop in the markets today. So you're going to see the S&P 500 E-mini futures are trading higher by about 12 and a quarter points to 1923 and 3/4 per contract. You'll see if you take a look here at the overnight action, markets did sink pretty sharply, then started to revive themselves, and right now we're off the highs a little bit, but not really too far off the highs, and up about 12, 13 points. So decent little pop before the opening bell. We'll see if this can sustain itself. We did have a big sell-off last night in the Shanghai Composite, but markets are still gathering some strength here, so we'll see if these markets can carve out a little bit of a positive day. All right, looking at the markets overall, though, remember this coming Friday will be options expiration, and you get a lot of game playing by the institution, so watch for some whipsaw in some individual names. That is generally the theme during the options expiration week, especially when you have a monthly options X coming up like we do here on Friday. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news. That's what makes money. First one we're going to look at is Macys. Looks like an activist investor is on board here telling Macys they need to capitalize on their real estate properties. Stock is trading higher, closed at $35.89. Right now trading at $36.74. So Macys upticking a little bit more. I'm not sure what to make of the stock, but we will be watching this one once the opening bell rings. So again, if you want to come along, trade this and other stocks with us, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we're doing so far this year. We've had a sensational 2016, and we're going to look to keep that going. All right, looking over at the next stock here on my list, it's BXLT, which is Baxalta. And it looks like there is a takeover bid there. I believe it's going to be by Shire, which is traded on the London Exchange. And you're going to see a nice little pop here. So this stock is looking to be bought out right now. Stock is trading at $42 a share, closed at $40. I have to think if you own this one, you just trail the stop loss, because there could be some other bidders or something along those lines. And if that does happen, you'll get a higher premium in the stock. So again, you could take your money off the table, or you could take a little bit more risk and try to just trail that stop loss and see if they move this one up a little bit more. Let's take a look at Kohl Stores. Kohl Stores is out with news today saying that they are looking to go private. They do not want an activist investor coming in or a hedge fund coming in saying, bossing them around, telling them what to do. So they are going to actually look to go private. So Kohl Stores, with news out today, they are looking to go private. Stock closed on Friday at $47.88, trading at $50.27. We'll see how much money the company can come up with to go private. But either way you slice it or dice it, very rarely does that happen. Generally, when somebody knows they're looking to go private or they're nervous, an activist investor will step in. So actually Kohl Stores looks decent here. It's off the lows a little bit, but nice little pop today. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings in the morning here at 9 o'clock. But right now, good little pop there for Kohl. All right, let's take a look here at Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX. Looks like this stock is getting hit a little bit today. I do not know the news. So the stock closed on Friday at 110.71. It is now trading at 108.50. Was even trading a little lower than that. There's not a lot of volume here, so we're not going to make too much out of it. We'll see how it shapes out once the opening bell rings. And there's another one we'll look at once the market opens this morning. Let's take a look at Under Armour. That had a big downgrade, I believe, from Morgan Stanley. Stock is trading at $71.75. Closed at $75 on Friday, so this is a pretty big hit. Under Armour definitely an oversold equity at this stage of the game. We'll see how the stock reacts. Right now, big downgrade by Morgan Stanley. Notice it is options expiration when that downgrade does come out. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market this morning. Got gold futures trading up $2.90. Not really that big a deal. Crude oil getting hit again, $32.73 a barrel. Crude is trading down 44 cents. Looking at the US dollar today, that is up 26 cents at the moment. to $98.63 per contract. So the dollar is a little bit stronger. That is certainly putting some pressure on oil today, and we'll see how that all shapes out. Again, it is a quieter Monday. Mondays have been a little bit more subdued, but very, very soon we will be going into earnings season, and things will start to pick up really across the board. So just be prepared for that. With that being said, right now, futures up 11 3/4 points. Come on over, trade with us at InTheMoneyStocks. Take that 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat room. We've had a great year so far, and again, we are going to look to keep that going today. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.